called away Halloween and we're into Christmas. If you've never in your life picked up a starter box from Maniology, I believe that you're in for a treat. So this is the Santa's Workshop starter kit, and this box comes with a cover-to-cover holiday themed nail plate. And then also, this is our starter kit stamping guide. This has some really important tips and tricks for nail stamping. You'll also get mistletoe and holly themed stamper and scraper. So this is the ice cube stamper that has the matching red color. And as you can see, it is clear. And then you also get 2 mini polishes, which is like this really blushing kind of deep cream pink. And then this really beautiful like champagne-y color. So again, it has everything you need to start the stamping process. An idea to simplify your nail art while just getting on with life.